After 300 yards, turn right.
Are you turning right here, are you?
Turn right.
That's a bit. So, did you anticipate the traffic light was green for a while?
Yeah.
Do we supposed to rush to go, or we slow down and prepare to stop?
Slow down.
Now, when the light goes amber, were you very close to the white line, or you think you have enough time to stop nicely?
I had time to stop before him.
You should have stopped, isn't it? Yeah. What happened? So when the signal said to you, turn right at the traffic light, you signal too early again. You have got a 2 right turning before that.
Yeah.
Not 1, 2.
Yeah. That one where I should stay on the right lane.
You stay in the left lane.
Left, yeah.
Right. After the bus lane.
Yeah.
So the TomTom says after 200 yards turn right. So you have got 2 other right turning, but you signal too early.
Too early, yes, I know.
So carry on the left lane.
Yeah.
Also, just let before that, now the bus lane, there was a bus lane there.
Yeah.
Do we signal when you merging, or do we just check your mirrors? So what
check the mirrors.
You check your mirrors, but you signal as well. So you're telling people that you want to go next right.
Yeah, that's time. Yeah, I know,
we should have. So
confused.
carry on the
Yeah,
left
that
lane.
time, yeah.
Just check your mirrors, merge,
On the right,
pass the first lane, right lane, then pass the second right lane, then check your mirrors, signal, and go there.
Before the traffic light, and also after that it was amber, and I was want to go that time.
Yeah, so that is another thing. So the light was green for a while, and when you approached, it went amber. We have enough time to stop. So I have to stop you only because you're still learning.
Yeah.
But in your exam, examiner will not press. Examiner will let you do whatever you want. But obviously, if you feel the traffic light is going red and you're still going, then examiner will. But remember, anticipate that how long the light was green. Okay.
Yeah.
Now.
Should approach slow.
Yep. So it's fine. Good.